Hey guys, this is Sohangi.
I'm Anoshka. We are super excited. It's our first ever college fest today.
It's day one of Yugantar and we are leaving our micro campus to visit the macro and see whatever is going on.
And considering the fact that
We just reached the campus. The entry gate already looks so crazy.
We'll go inside now and let's get registered and see whatever else is inside. That one? क्या हट लगाएगा?
कोई भी लगा दो जो ढंग से लगा दो.
लगा. I just got my varsity jacket from the media club for being a part of the 404 studios, and then we got to the award ceremony.
We were a bit late, but whatever we saw was really cool. All the people who won really deserved it. They've all put hard work into this. Yeah. So I'll be hosting the Octave 1 solo singing competition right now. Kind of nervous, but I'm really excited at the same time because there's a great number of performances lined up. So can't wait. Bringing our own flavor to the stage, we have Sohangi Singh. Please give a round of applause.
You would do the opposite of what you said.
A huge round of applause for Eclipse Nova.
anyone जिसको मेरा कोई भी सॉन्ग याद है? मेरा ये सफर है वही मेरा घर है, मुझको ना दुनिया की है परवाह, मैं हूँ मुसाफिर चलता रहे जो चाहे रोके टोके मुझे कोई भी यहाँ. Thank you so
So
much.
Bistro stall is gonna have a vada pav eating competition right now. I am participating in it, but I am here more for the vada pav and the taste. Rather than eating 3 vada pavs the fastest, I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'll probably get 2 free vada pavs out of it. Let's see how I do.
Namaste, Blinku Bhaiya. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Some serious. Okay, we have the it's volatile. For your friends, please. Come, you can shout your name. Strategic. Super strategic. Oh, we have this. Wow. You all know what to shout in the end. Wow, this is almost done. Almost done. This is completely unbelievable. Guess who we ran into at the Yugantar?
It's Eclipse Nova.
Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. What's going on?
I personally have been following you for since the last 3 years. How are you liking here in Yugantar? This is our first game.
I'm really enjoying this, and considering the fact that it's happening for the first time here, it doesn't feel so. Because everyone looks so confident and they know what they're doing. So I'm
Yeah.
really happy to see that.
Right, okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a student-led fest. All the students are doing everything themselves.
Amazing.
So, yeah, okay. That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We're finally done
Guys,
with all the events
last
for the
ticket
day,
का-
and we're
ticket
here
का-
waiting for the pro show.
एक तो-
Okay, so the pro show is none other than Vivek Samtani. We are eagerly waiting. Yeah, so we are eagerly waiting for his stand-up comedy. Even getting to the front seats was a hassle. There was so much crowd.
I agree.
Okay.
We were waiting to come here for like at least half an hour.
Yeah, and we ran here. We saved seats for our friends, and yeah, it was pretty hard, but we got the seats. We got the good seats.
Now can't wait for this.
Yeah, we can't wait for it. We are just waiting for Vivek Samtani to come on stage and fill all the audience with laughter.
Super excited. Let's go.
मैं मोटा हूँ ना, मेरे को मेरा खुद का नहीं दिखता. बहुत शानदार. नाम क्या है आपका?
मानसी.
मानसी. आप क्या पढ़ लो इधर पे?
मानसी.
जो भी है मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मानसी. लास्ट कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे, आपको कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना है मांगिए उनको। थोड़ी सी मांगो, ये क्या है, ये प्रॉब्लम है।
The pro show is finally done. It was so amazing.
My stomach still hurts after laughing so much. The crowd was absolutely crazy.
The amount of laughter, it was crazy. I did not expect such an amazing comedy show. A little mini recap of whatever we did today.
I hosted the solo singing competition.
I registered last minute for it, had fun with it. It was good.
I was so good in it. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Thank you. Thank you
I
so much.
also attended the Super Mentor session by Madhurima Agrawal.
Yeah, we visited.
So successful.
Yeah, it was so good. I mean, it was very unreal seeing her, speak in front of me so close. Yeah, and the stalls, we visited the stalls, played some mini games.
Fun.
The food was good. The food was apparently very good. There were Belgian waffles. I mean, I did not
I didn't
expect.
have that today. I'll have it tomorrow.
Yeah, have it tomorrow. There was
Done.
Domino's Belgian waffle bistro. I ate vada pav. Okay, yeah, that's pretty
And
much
we
it.
also, how can we forget the comic show?
Oh, yeah.
So good.
Yeah, I'm still lost in that. I'm still in that environment
It's
right
a
now.
core memory, literal core memory.
Seriously, it's a bucket list. It's a bucket list checked off. Yeah.
Okay, so that was day 1. We'll see you on day 2.
Yeah, so excited for tomorrow. We have so many things lined up tomorrow. We'll see you guys on day 2.
Hey guys, it's the next morning.
We are all suited and booted for day 2 of Yugandhar.
It's gonna be such a hectic day. We have so much stuff planned for today.
Yeah, I have my band today.
I'm gonna host it.
Yeah, so we are just going early to campus so that I can practice with my band and she can.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch them.
She'll do the dry run for the hosting.
I should do that. I will do that now.
Okay, so I finally
See you
reached
at
the
the
campus,
campus.
and right now we are preparing for the band. Here is my band. We have a performance in a few hours, I guess 1 or 2 hours, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'll be the vocalist. I hope the audience loves it.
While Sahangi is preparing for the band, I am attending a Super Mentor session by S. Rajesh, the CEO of Reliance Jio, and Vasudha Agrawal, a board member at IndiaMart. Right now we're here to watch Nukkad Natak. The performances so far have been super amazing and super patriotic.
अंदर सॉल्यूशन है
A lot of events are happening right now. I am hosting Riff Rumble. That's the band competition in which Sohangi is taking part. So let's go and see how she's feeling right now. How are you feeling? You're going to be performing soon now.
I'm feeling good. I went on the stage and looked at all the chairs. I was imagining audience sitting there. It's gonna be good. I was a bit nervous, but as I was, practicing, I'm getting used to it. I'm gonna go backstage, do a quick outfit change, open my hair and stuff. Yeah.
All the best for the performance, Sohangi.
Thank you. Okay, so let's go up to my teammates and ask them how they're feeling. Let's get to know their pre-performance emotions. How are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm half asleep अभी और मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं कुछ ना कर दूँ स्टेज पे.
Okay, so this is the drummer, the amazing drummer of our band. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मेरे लिए बहुत हेक्टिक है ये
हाँ, right.
क्योंकि रात भर ये कुछ लोग हैं हमारे बैंड के जो आते नहीं है प्रैक्टिस पे तो उन लोगों के लिए मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ उनकी वजह से.
Sorry. आज हो जाएगा अच्छा.
आज अच्छा होगा, आज अच्छा होना चाहिए. ऑल द बेस्ट एवरीवन जो भी है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
कैसे तुझे भूतो ख्यालों में साथ
Okay, so we just got done with our performance. There were some malfunctions, one of the keyboard was not working, but still, people are as the audience is telling me, it was good. We tried our best. I think it was a good experience. It was a learning experience, and the good parts were amazing. So all the band performances are now done. We are here in the stall area because we were so hungry after such a long day. So I'm just gonna grab a few things, eat some snacks, and then get ready for the pro show of today. We are so excited for the band that's gonna perform in the pro show.
It has been a super long and tiring day, but it has ended with a banger of a concert.
Yeah, the Ref Rumble Battle of Bands went amazing. It was a pretty good show. You anchored really well.
Thank you so much. You
Yeah.
performed really well.
Thank you.
Even the Super Mentor session I attended was super amazing, super insightful.
Yeah, both days have been amazing.
I can't wait for day 3.
Oh my god, Nikita Gandhi tomorrow. I'm so excited for it. They kept the best artists for the last day. And I'm just, it's gonna be sad that Uganda is gonna end, but it will end off with a banger.
Bye bye.
It's officially the last day of Uganda.
We've been looking forward to this day the most from the start.
Yesterday was pretty tiring, but today we got to refuel our energy. We have a few events lined up today also, like the Super Mentor session and the esport event. So we're gonna attend that, but
The major event of today is the concert by Nikita Gandhi, and we're super excited for that.
yeah, this was what we were looking forward since the last 3 days, and it's gonna be so good. Yeah, let's go.
So I'm about to attend a Super Mentor session by Kaushik Mukherjee. He's the CTO of Super Money. Let's see what he has to say.
So we came up with this concept of a secured card.
Just got done with the Super Mentor session. He gave us a lot of tips about how to make our own startups very successful. Now there's a step up solo competition happening. It's a solo dance competition. So we're gonna go and check that out.
There's some time left for the concert, so we're just gonna go to the stalls and check them out.
चल परेशान करते हैं ना वापस.
Let's go.
Hi.
करा तुमने पुशअप्स वाला अब तक? The amount of push-ups you do, उतना % discount. रात को जब चले जाओगे यहाँ से, ठीक है? Go. 1, 2.
Kadri. Oh भाई, भाई इसको मिलना तो चाहिए.
मिलना तो चाहिए.
Catch your ice cream.
नहीं मिल रही.
Take your ice cream. Oh, it's cool. Yeah. Let's try to get your ice cream. Come on. Come on.
Chill यार.
Do more ice cream. Come on. Dale. Thank you. Come on, Kate. Ice cream. Finally, man.
Let's go, bhai.
Guys, we're finally done with all the events for the day, and now
We're waiting for Nikita Gandhi to come on stage and perform.
we are here.
Super excited.
Yeah, we are here with all of our friends, and fortunately enough, we got a place in the front row. So let's go. We are very excited for her to come up on the stage and, just
The wait is killing me. Oh my gosh.
for really. Okay.
How would it
Like all good things in life, my first college fest is coming to an end. But I have no regrets going to bed tonight, even if we are going to sleep, that is. Yugantar really felt like everything I wanted from a college fest. A different side of an institution known for its academic brilliance.
The last 3 days were a perfect blend of rush, excitement, hard work, competitiveness, teamwork, friendship, and many more things I can't put into words. And it's not just me, along with the sort of Yugantar coming to an end. I see the same sparkle of achievement in every student's eyes. Everyone who has worked tirelessly to make this a success.
And in the last pro show of the night, everyone has become one with Yugantar.
And we pledge to come back bigger and better next year. The concert is finally over. It was super amazing. As you can see, we've both lost our voices.
Completely lost our voices.
We're really sad that Yugantar is over. But at the same time, we're so happy that it happened. And even happier that it ended with such an amazing concert.
We had such an amazing time. Thank you to the SST Council for making all of this happen. Thank you to 404 Studios for capturing all the fun events and moments. And thank you to any other club who was a part of letting this happen. And I can't wait for the next year.
It's gonna be even bigger and better.
The next fest. So I hope we see you guys again in the next fest, which might be even better than what we had today.
See you again next year.
Bye bye.